The heart. This small yet mighty organ is the centerpiece of our circulatory system. It's not just a symbol of love and emotion. While often romanticized in literature and art, the heart's true function is far more vital and complex. It's a powerful pump, working tirelessly to keep us alive. Day and night, without rest, it beats approximately 100,000 times a day, pushing blood through a network of vessels that, if laid end to end, would stretch around the earth twice. Tucked away in our chest, slightly to the left of center, the heart is the engine of our circulatory system. Nestled between the lungs and protected by the ribcage, it is strategically placed to efficiently pump blood to every part of our body. This incredible organ is responsible for pumping blood throughout our bodies, delivering oxygen and nutrients and removing waste products. Each heartbeat sends a surge of life-sustaining blood through arteries, veins, and capillaries, ensuring that every cell receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function. Without the heart, our bodies simply couldn't function. The heart's continuous pumping action is essential for maintaining the flow of blood, which carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body, and returns carbon dioxide to the lungs to be exhaled. Understanding how the heart works can help us appreciate its importance and take better care of it. By learning about the heart's structure and function, we can make informed choices about our health, such as eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and avoiding habits that can harm the heart, like smoking. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria, and 2 ventricles. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs, while the left side receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it to the rest of the body. The heart's valves ensure that blood flows in the right direction, preventing backflow and maintaining efficient circulation. These valves open and close with each heartbeat, creating the familiar lub-dub sound we associate with a healthy heart. The heart's electrical system controls the timing of the heartbeat, ensuring that the chambers contract in a coordinated manner. This electrical impulse starts in the sinoatrial node, often called the heart's natural pacemaker, and travels through the heart, prompting it to beat. By understanding the heart's anatomy and function, we can better appreciate the importance of maintaining cardiovascular health. Regular checkups, a healthy lifestyle, and being aware of the signs of heart disease can help us protect this vital organ and ensure it continues to power our bodies for years to come. So, let's take a moment to appreciate our heart, the engine that keeps us going, and commit to taking care of it every day. After all, a healthy heart is the key to a healthy life. The heart is like a busy train station, with blood constantly coming and going. Imagine a bustling hub where trains arrive and depart every second, each carrying vital cargo. In this case, the cargo is life-sustaining blood, which is pumped tirelessly by the heart to every corner of the body. This continuous flow is essential for our survival, ensuring that every cell receives the nutrients and oxygen it needs to function properly. But instead of passengers, it's oxygen and carbon dioxide that are along for the ride. These gases are crucial for our body's metabolism. Oxygen is picked up by red blood cells in the lungs and transported to tissues throughout the body, where it is used for energy production. Meanwhile, carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism, is collected from the tissues and carried back to the lungs to be exhaled. This exchange is a delicate balance that keeps our bodies functioning smoothly. The heart cleverly manages 2 separate circulation pathways, one for deoxygenated blood, which is low in oxygen, and one for oxygenated blood, rich in oxygen. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. Once oxygenated, the blood returns to the left side of the heart, which then pumps it out to the rest of the body. This division ensures that oxygen-rich blood is efficiently delivered to where it's needed most. This 2-part adventure ensures that our bodies receive the oxygen they need to function while efficiently removing waste products. The systemic circulation, managed by the left side of the heart, delivers oxygenated blood to all body tissues, providing the necessary fuel for cellular activities. Simultaneously, the pulmonary circulation, managed by the right side of the heart, handles the removal of carbon dioxide and the replenishment of oxygen in the lungs. This intricate system works seamlessly to maintain homeostasis, allowing us to live, work, and play without a second thought. The heart's relentless effort and precise coordination are truly remarkable, making it one of the most vital organs in our body. The journey begins on the right side of the heart, which receives deoxygenated blood from the body. This side of the heart plays a crucial role in the circulatory system, acting as the gateway for blood that has traveled through the body and is now in need of oxygenation. The right atrium and right ventricle work in tandem to ensure that this blood is efficiently moved to the lungs for reoxygenation. This blood, depleted of oxygen and carrying carbon dioxide, enters the heart through two large veins, the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. These veins are essential conduits that channel blood back to the heart after it is circulated through the body, delivering nutrients and oxygen to tissues and organs. The superior vena cava, from the upper body, collects blood from the head, neck, upper limbs, and chest. It is a major vein that ensures the return of deoxygenated blood from the upper regions of the body, maintaining a continuous flow back to the heart. And the inferior vena cava, from the lower body, gathers blood from the lower limbs, abdomen, and pelvis. This vein is equally important as it transports blood from the lower parts of the body, ensuring that all deoxygenated blood is directed back to the heart for reoxygenation. The right side of the heart then pumps this deoxygenated blood to the lungs. The right ventricle contracts, pushing the blood into the pulmonary artery, which is the vessel responsible for carrying blood to the lungs. This process is vital for the removal of carbon dioxide and the replenishment of oxygen. In the lungs, the blood undergoes a critical exchange. It releases carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular metabolism, and picks up a fresh supply of oxygen. This oxygen-rich blood is then ready to be transported back to the heart, where it will be pumped out to nourish the entire body. The right side of the heart, therefore, is indispensable in maintaining the cycle of blood circulation and ensuring that our bodies receive the oxygen they need to function properly. Once the blood is replenished with oxygen in the lungs, it travels back to the heart, this time entering the left side. The left side of the heart is responsible for pumping this newly oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. This vital task ensures that all our organs and tissues receive the oxygen they need to function correctly. From the outside, the heart looks like a cone-shaped organ. The pointed end, called the apex, points towards the left side of the body. The broader upper part, known as the base, connects to the major blood vessels. The heart's surface isn't smooth. It has grooves and ridges that help us identify its different parts. The grooves on the heart's surface are called sulci. These sulci aren't just random indentations. They act as important landmarks, indicating the divisions between the heart's chambers. The coronary arteries, responsible for supplying blood to the heart muscle itself, run within these sulci. Understanding the location of these sulci is crucial for surgeons and cardiologists. Peeking inside the heart, we find 4 chambers, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. The upper chambers are called atria, singular atrium, and the lower chambers are called ventricles. Each chamber plays a specific role in the continuous cycle of blood circulation. The atria receive blood while the ventricles pump blood out. The right atrium is the first chamber to receive deoxygenated blood returning from the body. From the right atrium, blood flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle then pumps this deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery, which carries it to the lungs for oxygenation. Oxygen-rich blood from the lungs enters the left atrium through the pulmonary veins. It then flows through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle, the heart's most muscular chamber, then pumps this oxygenated blood through the aortic valve into the aorta, the largest artery in the body. From the aorta, the oxygenated blood is distributed to the rest of the body. The continuous flow of blood through the heart is a testament to its remarkable design. Each heartbeat is a carefully orchestrated sequence of events, with the atria contracting to fill the ventricles, followed by the ventricles contracting to pump blood out. This rhythmic cycle ensures a constant supply of oxygenated blood to the body. The heart is a vital organ, and understanding its anatomy and function is crucial for maintaining good health. By appreciating the heart's intricate workings and recognizing the importance of a healthy lifestyle, we can help keep this amazing pump running smoothly for years to come. Remember, taking care of your heart is one of the best investments you can make in your overall well-being.